Shenzhen, WJM, Silicone and Plastic Electronic Company Limited, was established in 2011 and is located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 11,174 square meters and has more than 100 employees. We specialize in silicone and plastic products, OEM and ODM design. We are a company specializing in the research, development, sales, and service of silicone water bottles, outdoor sports, and other customized silicone and plastic products. Our experienced staff are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. In addition, we are working hard to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has tape measure testers, multifunctional friction testers, lifting cycle testers, curve testers, and two-dimensional equipment to strictly control product quality. We have obtained REACH, ROS, ISO 9001, IATF 16949 certificates. The products sell well in all provinces and cities across the country and are exported to customers in the United States, Western Europe, and other countries and regions. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefit, we enjoy a good reputation among our customers for our perfect services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us and achieve mutual success.